Okay, everybody. It is time for a road trip. Here we are. I'm so excited, man. Here, Mary Rose, Kevin is behind me here. We are about to head in Samar. We just got out of Tacloban. We're coming up on the bridge here. Yeah, it should be quite the adventure, man. So we're doing the Samar Loop. And we're starting off with the southern part of Samar today. And we've got about, I think it's like a 3.5-hour ride going to this really cool surf camp, man. You know, no really intention of doing any kind of surf lessons, but what they have here is a surf camp. We're really excited about the accommodations. It looks like some sort of kind of tent thing that we're gonna be staying in. So should be really cool accommodations. Plus, if you want to learn surfing, I suspect that's what's available there is some kind of surf camp. But we're here at the bridge. I can't remember the name of the bridge. I'll put the bridge in. And this bridge is actually closed down to truck traffic. So anticipating, as seen here, quite a bit of traffic. So we'll see how this goes. But super excited, back in the Philippines, back on the road again, man. Yeah, super stoked. So hopefully we can get moving here. So yeah, we're at a standstill. Interesting. All right, guys, so be back in just a minute. Okay, guys, we made it up on the bridge. Yeah, check this out. They actually got it down to 1 lane. So we hung out there, whatever, a couple minutes, not very long. But heading over the bridge right now. What a sight this is. Just really beautiful bridge. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the longest bridge. Now maybe Leyte, Samar, Philippines, I'm not quite sure. I'll see if I can find any information on it and put it up in the video. But yeah, I think this is one of the longest bridges in the Philippines. And the Angas Angas is one of the tallest bridges. And I've been over both now. But yeah, just a really beautiful view here as we're kind of traveling around here. And this is what connects Leyte behind me and now Samar up ahead of me here. So that's kind of what we got going on. We're heading over to Samar, really excited about it. Now supposedly this other section of Samar that we're gonna be covering today is supposed to be some of the more scenic. Now this is first trips for me. I really don't have any idea. But we'll see. But this southern and eastern Samar is supposed to be the most scenic, and I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but it is really kind of beautiful down through there. Really cool little islands and stuff in the middle of this river. Yeah, a little bit of a current going through, and now we're up here now, up a good amount, but good up in height. But yeah, it should be a good trip. Like I said, we got about a 3.5-hour ride today, all the way covering the whole southern Samar into that little surf camp deal. Really excited about the place I'm staying at. I'll do a full room tour and go over the price of everything. It's a little more per night. I think it was around 8,000 or so for the 2-night stay. So a little bit more than I like to spend, but yeah, whatever. Like we'll do a full room tour and full price and all that here in a little bit when we get to the destination. But stay tuned for a riding video, guys. We're gonna shoot the southern Samar. We're gonna stop along some scenic areas and kind of show you around a little bit there. So happy to be back in the Philippines on Wilson, riding around. Got Mary Rose behind me. Shout out to her, man. Good, congratulations on your graduation of college. Industrial engineer student, so sharp. We're still really figuring out what we're gonna do next there. You know, we talked a lot about maybe going to Davao. Maybe we're staying in Palapan. We're kind of figuring that out as we go. But yeah, shout out to you, girl, for finishing that out. Got my buddy Kevin behind me. He recently retired. He and I went to Japan together and saw the Formula One race there. He set all that up, so shout out to you, brother. And yeah, so that's it, guys. I'll pick it up again here when it gets more scenic. Be right back. All right, guys, we are here. We're, maybe 2 hours out from the hotel yet, but we stopped along the place because we got a little bit of rain, a little bit of a wet ride in, but really beautiful ride through here. Really gorgeous. I'll see if I can step down and take some iPhone footage. But we stopped at this restaurant and got some food. What did you order, babe?
Pork nilaga.
Pork nilaga?
Yeah, it's like pork soup.
Pork soup?
Yeah.
Ah, lame?
Yes.
Ah, pork soup.
It's different from sinigang.
Sinigang
Sinigang is a little bit sour.
And I got sweet and sour pork with some rice. What about you, Kevin? What you order, brother?
Chicken teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki.
Recommended it.
Yeah. Oh, nice. She recommended it. Finally, she recommended something. Yeah, right? you got it out of her. All right, but yeah. So we're here just chilling out. Like I said, we'll see if I can get some footage down here. It's really cool. Right away, the standout. You commented on it too. This geology, the rock formations, right?
Yes, the rock.
Really different rock formations. Shout out to you, Dad, as well as the other geologists that are out watching the channel. But yeah, really cool, really unique, kind of these really tall, cylinder-like rock outcroppings that are like covered with trees and just really stand out. I'll see if along the way we get some more shots of that. I don't think I got anything yet, but yeah, to me also too. But also kind of flat too, right? Like not really compared to Lete on the.
Yeah, there's
Excuse me.
a lot of area that's flat, but then there it's really nice.
Yeah.
Good thing you stop, but then it's just a few minutes and then we're riding back.
Right. All right, guys. So our food's coming out here in just a second, and I'll show you what we got. So we'll be right back, guys. We got our food. We ate already, right?
Yeah.
We got so just busy in conversation that. But yeah, so we got sweet and sour chicken, some teriyaki chicken.
And pork nilaga.
Yeah.
Pork soup.
Pork soup.
Yes.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I actually tried a little bit of that. Super full. So, but yeah, you know what? I could show you around this resort real quick. Let's take a look. You want to walk around quick, Di? Yeah. We just leave our stuff there. Okay. Yeah, so they got a nice little swimming pool out here. Yeah, they're really packed with a bunch of kids. And then we'll go down here and walk by the water. Wait. My shoes are soaking. They have cabanas down there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Same as
Okay. Some karaoke.
karaoke too.
Yes, of course.
And
Of course, karaoke. Yeah, let's do a quick place. I'll put the name up of exactly where we're at. Really beautiful part of the Philippines for sure, in southern coast of Samar. It's gonna get a little loud here with karaoke, but let's take a look. Yes, gotta love it, Philippines. Wow. Yeah, a little rocky beach. A lot of coral here. I bet you the diving's really good out here. Look at all the coral on the beach. Oh man, look at it out there. Yeah, really beautiful.
It's good to have a house there because you can see the water and then it's mountain.
Oh, you can see the rain. God, just gorgeous, right?
Yeah.
Really beautiful. All right, guys, we'll be back in a little bit. We'll stop along the way if there's anything really cool to show you through Samar, but otherwise I'll pick you back up at the hotel. Really excited about where we're staying with the tents and stuff. So, all right, guys, we'll be right back. Guys, we just kind of driving around here. We saw this really cool beach area here. Absolutely gorgeous out here. I mean, just so beautiful. Locals are super friendly too. Here, check this out, man. Yeah, super beautiful for here. Just look at that water, so clear. I got the drone up too. We'll put the drone up and looking around, but just look at out here. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the boats kind of sticking up on the rock outcroppings there. Yeah, good times here in Samar, man. Right along the southern tip of Samar. Really cool. Mary Rose and the locals were chatting with her and saying, hey, stop and have a drink and that. So anyways, guys, we'll be right back and back in a little bit, but super beautiful along this road. All right, guys, we made it to the hotel. This place is epic. Yeah, look at this behind me. Yeah, that's a pool table. A pool table in our place. We actually have this whole suite here. Yeah, check it out. I'll turn around. It's a little bit dark, so yeah, this whole suite here. We've got a billiards table here that we can shoot at, and then check it out here. We've got a full kitchen in here. Full kitchen. Yeah, nice living room area here. TV, Netflix. And check it out, we go upstairs here. I'll show you guys upstairs. These cool little steps up here. All right. And then upstairs is the bedroom. Hey, Mary Rose. Oh, so cool, man. Yeah, this place is epic. I'll put up the price and everything, kind of how much it is. I'll show you guys where it's at. This is so cool. I'm excited about this common space down here. I mean, that's just so awesome. You know, TV and living room and pool table. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. A lot more content to come, though, from this area as we're traveling around. We're here really for a couple of days, just kind of chilling out. So, and I'm not sure if I'll stay longer or not, but definitely here 2 days, 2 nights here. And we'll show you the beach is right there. We walk down, just gorgeous, really cool thing at the beach scene down there. Absolutely stunning down there. So, so yeah, here a couple nights. We're in the most southern part of Samar. Super remote, really kind of cool. So anyways, guys, really appreciate everyone watching. Check out the Patreon site if you're not already a member. Check that out. Check the affiliate links and all that stuff. It all helps support the channel, keeping it going, guys. So really appreciate that stuff. And feed the good wolf. Hampine. Io. See you on the next one.